Meanwhile, Dr. Navarro is here to talk about some bright and sweet things.
Or cloudy and dreary things.
Oh, you want to do the opposite?
Yeah, right. If you know, I'm just trying to make it fun because unfortunately, looking ahead, this is
as a meteorologist standpoint, this is fun.
That is awesome.
That is so cool. It's wrapping up.
Right, and back when we both used to live in Seattle, actually, these are the kinds of things you get excited about because you see all those little spotty clouds in there. Convection,
It's a big wild card coming in.
You could sometimes those give us some lightning, but what's really exciting about this picture is this really narrow swath of snow that's happening on the very far edge of that system. That's the parent low all the way out there near the west coast, but we've got snow out ahead of it. So this is coming in well in advance of that system itself. About 1,400 miles long and very, very thin on the cross. Might be nearly 300 miles here in some of these areas. So in between Sioux City and Minneapolis, two places not too far apart here, we've got snow and rain, but those places are not snowing or raining at all.
Which city would you not want to live in and be a forecaster right now?
I would not want to be anywhere near Cedar Rapids, Iowa.
Too tough.
Too tough. They are literally right on the boundary between 1 foot to 1.5 feet of snow.
But the other side, though, is, I mean, it's not like they're going to get nothing.
Yeah, they'll get something.
Right,
yeah.
right.
Another place that could be tough, Chicago. Between no snow and snow.
Because that could be nothing and snow.
That's right. That's right. Very difficult forecast. You got to hand it to the forecasters here. There's still a lot of features coming together, but we are expecting some heavy wet snow to be coming down in this area. It's just a little bit tough to say about how much. That snow will be continuing down here into the mid-Atlantic. There's the snow filling in. But Chris, what's going to be coming in behind it is really interesting because here we are heading into the last part of March and we're thinking spring, right? Easter's next weekend. But look at this cold air that's filtering down into the southeast. This is a very classic wedge pattern that we talk about in the Atlanta area, for example, because look at that nose of cold air that gets basically just jutted up right against the mountains.
Wedged in there.
It gets wedged in and it gets stuck, and that means cold temperatures to come Saturday, Sunday, Monday, maybe even Tuesday, Chris. This is pretty cold air making it as far south as Jacksonville, Florida. So. I'd say no sunshine and rainbows here.
Unfortunately, not happening for a lot of people. Meanwhile, coming up in 60 seconds, you wouldn't know it by this, but spring is here, and with it comes threat.